एवरीवन, हाउ आर यू ऑल डूइंग? वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। और आज हम इस वीडियो में डिस्कस करेंगे फ्यू पॉइंट्स आई थिंक जो हर मेडिको को पता होने चाहिए एंड यू शुड टेक एज अ रेजोल्यूशन फॉर दिस ईयर कि यू आर गोइंग टू फोकस ऑन दीज 5 पॉइंट्स दिस ईयर. So number one point is time management, which is really important even if you are a student or a practicing doctor. कि how you have to manage time with your work, with your family and for your personal growth as well. Personal growth is very important आज के time में because all that matters is personal growth is very important because this is something which makes you a great human being and the field which we are in, the medical profession, it requires you to be like that. The empathetic personality, the somebody who is able to understand क्या चीज़ सही है मोरली, क्या नहीं है. सो फॉर दैट रीज़न आई बिलीव कि पर्सनल ग्रोथ इज़ समथिंग जिसमें आई थिंक हर इंसान को अपना टाइम स्पेंड करना चाहिए फॉर अ फ्यू मिनट्स एटलीस्ट. सो द नेक्स्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट पॉइंट आई वुड से जो हर मेडिको को आना चाहिए एंड आई सी 90% ऑफ देम फेल एट इट वेरी बैडली, दैट इज़ फाइनेंशियल प्लानिंग. येस, financial planning is something which you should learn even if you are just an MBBS student, even if you're not earning anything, but having a good knowledge about this makes you able to invest properly when you have even a very little amount, a marginal amount as much you are getting in your internships. तो अगर आपको उसको भी सही तरीके से स्पेंड करना आता है, इन्वेस्ट करना आता है, you can make great. Okay, so there was a quote which said कि saving money does not make you rich. In fact, spending it correctly makes you rich. Spending it correctly here means investing it properly. So you should take a proper knowledge about trading, SIPs, portfolios, and all these things like mutual funds. So you should know where you have to spend your money correctly. Even if in your residency you are earning a marginal amount, but even if you are able to save up a very little percentage of it, for example 10 or 20% of it, and investing it correctly, that is going to help you wonders. Okay, so the third point is, which I believe and I follow it, that is study hard while party harder. Yeah, जितना आप अपने आप को लेजर एक्टिविटीज़ में साथ साथ इन्वॉल्व रखोगे, यू विल बी एबल टू डू ग्रेट इन योर स्टडी एज वेल. आप पढ़ रहे हो तो आप पढ़ रहे हो 100%, पर जब आप इन्जॉय कर रहे हो, आप हॉलीडेज़ पे हो, यू हैव टू बी इन्वेस्टेड देयर 100%. इन्जॉय फुली व्हेन यू आर देयर. तब ऐसा नहीं कि साथ में बुक्स लेके जा रहे हो, यू आर नॉट एबल टू इन्जॉय, वहाँ पे भी ना आप पढ़ पा रहे हो. दिस शुड नेवर बी समथिंग जो आप लोगों को करना चाहिए इन दैट केस. मैंने अपने नीट पीजी एग्ज़ाम से 1 महीना पहले आई डिड एन इंटरनेशनल ट्रिप. आई वॉज एबल टू मैनेज टू डू दैट. I made sure कि मैं उस पूरा हफ्ता I didn't study. It was a time, a break which I took कि अब इसके बाद I am going to study full on only. अब मैं कोई गैप्स नहीं छोड़ूंगी. So all the fun I am doing it here. अब फिर मैंने पूरा 100% उसको फन में ही यूटिलाइज किया. नेक्स्ट पॉइंट इज़ यू हैव टू वर्क आउट डेली, क्योंकि वर्किंग आउट गिव्स यू दैट डोपामीन शॉट्स which is really important to make that daily kick in your life. Even if you are a practicing resident, workout थोड़ा थोड़ा चलता रहे, that makes you healthy also. It's very important आजकल के टाइम में. योगाज, वर्कआउट, मेडिटेशन, एंड ऑल्सो आपको डोपामीन का जो इनफ्लो देगा, that will be able to make you think clearly. Okay, so the fifth point is writing or reading. Writing or reading is something, I think this is like a food for your brain. You cannot miss doing this. Even if you are a student, obviously you will be doing it. Doctor, a practicing doctor, somebody in their 40s, 50s, at whatever age, this is like a food to your brain. Reading and writing. Writing, I say, I want to also promote writing also as much as reading, क्योंकि writing से you're able to think. Okay, so it gives you a vision. आप सोचते हो चीज़ों को, imagine करते हो, and then you write it. So it is a mixture of 2-3 qualities, I would say. So writing is really important. Writing could be about your life, your career, could be about any topic you like, or as simple as journaling. Okay, and reading something is important in a doctor's life. Reading journals, research publications, and not just that, you can read fictions also, news also, economy also, so to stay updated and keep your brain healthier that ways. Okay, so thanks for watching, and please keep this 5 points in mind. I'll repeat: time management, financial planning, study hard, party harder, work out daily, and fifth is reading or writing. These 5 things should be included in your schedule. Make this as your resolution for the new year 2025. Happy New Year to everyone.